Alright, back at the home shop. Got my lathe in the back of the trailer here. So I'm trying to back up in the shop and unload it, and sure as shit, the trailer's 1 inch wider in the doorway. Look at these stupid ass lights sticking way out. Puts me over the edge. So Dad has the door sticking a couple inches, and that killed me. So luckily I brought my tools this time because I'm tired of not having tools around here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this damn bracket off. So I'm going to unbolt the license plate here, the tail light, and I can re-drill the hole in. Maybe I can move it out the whole hole and just put it over here. There's a pretty good gap here. I can probably go over the full hole. And I'll just hacksaw off the excess right here. That's all I got to cut with. Of course, I just took the skill saw out of the jigsaw out of the truck before I came over here. I don't feel like driving all the way back with a load on there like this. So we got one blade. I think I have some more blades, maybe. When I brought home all the stuff, I think there was some in the drawer. So I worked until noon this morning on the last video. So instead of being 2 or 3 hours, it was 6 or 8 hours extra time. So I had to do everything double, because I had the workbench in the corner, shelf units over there, and sure as shit, the drawers do not open because the blaster's in the way. That didn't work. So I had to pull everything out. Of course, I put the tile down, so I wouldn't have to do that later. And of course, the tile's underneath the bead blaster, which is not easy to do. And all that had to be taken up and redone and dealt with. So anyway, it's floor tiles down. The mill should go in this hole right here. The lathe's gonna go here. The mill should go here. I might have to pull up some tile, I'm not sure. Maybe one square, but we'll see. Anyway, but I got the drawers in here and a table in here. Workbench, whatever you want to call it. This has to go. I got everything here just crammed over the side to make room for the trailer to come in. And hopefully the hoist is strong enough to pick up the mill. I'm not too concerned about the lathe, it should pick it up, but the mill is a lot heavier than the lathe. Anyway, fun day. So what time is it now? Oh, it's only 2:30. 3.5 hours of sleep at best last night, so we're doing good. I didn't go to bed until 1 p.m. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and attempt to hacksaw this light off and try to get the trailer in here. See if my hoist is strong enough to pick it up. It has to pick it up just enough to hold it, and I can pull the trailer out and then drop it. That's all I care about. So if it's not strong enough to pick it up, as long as it'll hold it, which probably won't be. But if not, I'll take and I'll straps on top of that, and I'll strap the damn thing up in the air, and then let the hoist let it down slowly. I'll figure. I brought all my straps. I was not that stupid. I didn't bring straps. Yeah. But anyway, and of course this drawer doesn't want to work. Won't close. Wheel broke in there. Found the parts in the garbage can. Found the wheel. Didn't find the pin. Takes a lathe to make a pin. Lathe's over there. So now the drawer's stuck half open. I spent hours and hours dealing with the shelves on over there and over here. There's probably at least 3 hours of getting drawers to go in the shelf units or drawer units because they don't want to fit. They don't want to go. And I was tired. That didn't help. But anyway, it is what it is. Alright, I'm going to go work on this and see if I get done before the sun comes up again. That'll be 3 days in a row. Or is it 4 days now? I forget. Too many days. Alright, that's it for now. There you go. There's the fending piece of metal cut off. It's now 3:30. So I cut that off, sprayed it, paint. That was about 30-year-old paint. Still worked good. And then I wanted only the one hole. It wouldn't go below it. It's hitting, so I just got one hole there at an angle. Just got it in there. So theoretically, we got half to 3/4 inch clearance total between here and the other side. The dragon comes through the doorway, right there. So I didn't hit there. I haven't hit there yet. The lower fender here just barely clipped the outside wood when I pulled back out. It didn't hit going in. A little piece of wood right there. When I went back out, it caught it. And you can see how much clearance I got. Whoop. It's got about a 1/4 inch of clearance down in there. So it's kind of tight. So the wheel is, the tire is what hits. So there's how much clearance we got on the doorway right there. So I bumped up until the tire hit, and then I went forward just a kiss to give it some clearance. So that's called precision backing up. And you got a 1/4 inch on this side too, see? Same 1/4 inch. And when I go out, I gotta go slow too, because I want to catch the tail lights on the way out. Yeah, so they didn't hit going in, but they're close. So we're not quite centered up over the hoist here. We're a little off center, so it's gonna jerk it over a little bit when I grab a hold of this thing. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and try to get this thing off without losing it. And you can see the hoist is pretty high, pretty close to the height of the mill, to the lathe. Now this is a lot lower than the mill, so I'm not sure. I won't be able to get the mill off of here if it's this far up. So that's going to be a problem getting a mill machine. Not sure how we're going to do that one. Still haven't bought a tripod with me yet. So yeah, we're going to try to get that thing off of the trailer and see what happens. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and unstrap all that and hook it up. I'll be back.